Welcome to my channel Learn Chemistry with Isai. Today we are going to see 10th standard science chemistry lesson unit 7 atoms and molecules. Before entering into the lesson we have to know what is atom and what is molecule. Here see the examples. First one is helium atom. Second one is hydrogen molecule. What is the difference between these two means Hg is a single atom and molecule containing two hydrogen atoms. So this is the difference. Atoms combines to form a molecule. In this video we are going to see the topic modern atomic theory, mass number, relative atomic mass and average atomic mass. This topic we are going to discuss. Next one, modern atomic theory. First, John Dalton. John Dalton is a scientist. He made atomic theory. Some parts are removed. So now we are going to discuss about modern atomic theory. In this modern atomic theory, atom is a very small particles. We can't able to break that because it's contain electron, proton and neutron. Electron's charge is negative charge, proton charge is positive charge and neutron charge is chargeless. Next one, these three electron, proton and neutron, these three present in the nucleus of the atom. Next one, isotopes. What is isotopes? Here see the examples, 17Cl35, another one 17Cl37. That means Cl means chlorine, 17 is atomic number and 35 and 37 are mass number. These two atoms are same atoms. It's containing same atomic number but different mass numbers. That is called as isotopes. Next one, see the examples. Ar means argon 18, argon 40. Next one, 20, calcium 40. Here atomic numbers are different and the atoms also different but mass numbers are same. This condition, this is called isobars. Next one, artificial transmutation. First one, this artificial transmutation done by alpha, beta and gamma particles. Let's take example nitrogen. Through nitrogen passed alpha particles, alpha rays, it's converted into oxygen atom because nitrogen atomic number is 7 and oxygen atomic number is 8. So nitrogen easily converted into oxygen. This is called artificial transmutation. Next one, atoms. Atoms may not always combine in a simple whole number ratio. For example, we take glucose and sucrose. These two called as carbohydrates. Two compounds containing same elements. Elements means carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Both are having carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, but its ratio are different. Glucose ratio is 1:2:1 and sucrose ratio is 12:22:11. This is the difference. Next one, atom is the smallest particle. We know it's take part in the chemical reactions. It's already we know. If atom only converted into, atom is called as element. That element takes part in the chemical reactions. Next one, the mass of the atom. Mass of the atom is converted into energy. So that energy calculated by E equal to mc squared. E is energy is equal to m is mass of atom and c is speed of the light. We can use this formula, calculate the mass of the atom. Next one, we have to know what is proton, electron, neutron, where it is present. We are taking example helium atom. Here see the first line, the mass of an atom is measured in atomic mass unit. Here mass of an atom, mass means weight, that weight having some unit, that unit is called as atomic mass unit. See the example helium atom. Helium atomic number is 2, mass number is 4. Here that electron charge is negative charge. So that electrons present in the pathway and in the nucleus, protons and neutrons are present. 2 protons and 2 neutrons. These 2 proton and 2 neutron, we have to add that 2 proton and neutron. 2 proton plus 2 neutron equal to 4 neutrons. So its mass number is 4. We have to calculate in this way only, calculate mass number. Next one, we already know. That means atom containing proton, neutron and electron. Here proton and neutrons have some weight, some mass, but electrons does not have any mass. Next one, we are already told protons and neutrons having combined. That means we can add protons and neutrons number, we got the mass number. Next one, relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass symbol is RAM. That means RAM. Here the formula, one formula is there. One is AR equal to average mass of the isotopes of the element divided by 1 by 12th part of the mass of the one carbon 12 atom. This relative atomic mass is otherwise called as standard atomic weight. Now we are going to see the example. One example, we know chlorine. Chlorine exists in two isotopes. One is chlorine 35, another one chlorine 37. Chlorine 35 is abundance is 75% and chlorine 37 is 25%. For example, we are taking 100 chlorine atoms means 75 atoms having mass number of 35, 25 atoms having mass number of 37. Now we have to add these two. Calculate the relative atomic mass. See the formula. Average mass of the atoms of element. That means chlorine 1735 means average mass means 35 divided by 35 plus 37 is equal to 35.5. So that value we have to substitute on the numerator. Then divided by 1 by 12 into carbon 12 atom. Carbon 12's mass number is 12. So here denominator value is 1. So we got the value is 35.5. In this way we have to calculate relative atomic mass. Next one, some examples for relative atomic mass using carbon 12 scale. Hydrogen relative atomic mass value is 1, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, sodium 23, magnesium 24, sulfur 32. These are called as mass numbers. Next topic is average atomic mass. Short form is AAM. In this average atomic mass, we are using one formula. That formula is mass of first isotope into percentage abundance of first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage abundance of second isotope. Taking carbon atom here as an example, carbon 12 into 98.9 percentage. So 98.9 divided by 100 plus 13 into 1.1 percentage. So 1.1 divided by 100. Now we are calculating this, got the value 12.011. Its unit is atomic mass unit. So AMU. This is the formula to calculate average atomic mass. Next one, some examples, some elements examples are hydrogen value is atomic number is 1. Atomic mass value is 1.008. Next one, helium, He, its value is mass number is 4. Its value is 4.003. Next one, lithium, Li, 6.941. Beryllium, Be symbol and value is 9.012. And last one is boron, atomic number 5 and mass number is 10. So symbol is B, mass number is 10 and atomic number is 5. Thank you for your view. If you have any questions, please leave in below comment section. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more videos.